I have the new Verna SX MT petrol with me, and you guys wanted me to do a comparison, a quick comparison maybe, because the City VX versus the Verna SX, the mid variants. Both are the mid variants and both are in petrol. So what we'll do today is thoda sa like we'll go around the car, we'll do a walk around, and अंदर से बैठ के देखेंगे. We'll do a quick comparison maybe, you know, and कुछ बहुत ही बेसिक चीज़ें देखेंगे. Why I didn't go for the Verna as my you know, the quick comparison करते हैं जल्दी से. Like the sun is also about to set and I want this video. I want to complete this video because everyone is waiting for me to get this done quickly. So thoda sa practicality wise we'll look into both the vehicles, ki which one seems to be more practical. Space wise obviously it's the Honda City without any doubt. Honda City mein jo space hai na, let's just, I've just driven this vehicle and this seat is, according to me, I'm 5'11", for your reference. And just look at the leg room I have available over here. Just look at this. See the amount of leg room. I can sit like this as well without any problem. This ample amount of leg room. Headroom also is quite good. Headroom is also okay for a 6-footer maybe. So a 6-footer at the front and a 6-footer at the back, and still you have so much space available. So this is a clear winner. I'll just quickly go into the Verna as well. So this is again set as per me, 5'11". Going to the back seat, making some quick space for me. Here, so you can see. अभी बाकी रिव्यूज में you will go and see. वो लोग पता नहीं कैसे adjust करते हैं. Like you'll see the seat right over here, and you'll see only this much leg room available. I don't know how they set the seats or what they do in the reviews, but this is an honest review and this is set as per me, this front seat, and still I have room available. It's not as the City, but it's adequate. In long distances it might be a trouble for you, but in short rides it's not a problem at all. And in long distances also it's not quite that much of a problem, you know. ठीक है, it's okay. But yeah, I agree, City में बहुत ज़्यादा space है. Honda City is a clear winner in this. And according to my family, like I needed a car, a sedan in which we have a lot of space available, and that is the only reason I went for City. I spent some more amount. There is no other reason, just the space. In the front seats also, the space is good in the Honda City. In the back seats also, there's no comparison at all with the Verna. Like Honda City is a clear winner, but Verna में problem नहीं है. Like if you want to go with the Verna also, आपको space available है, but उतना नहीं है जितना City में है, जितना Honda City में है. So I'm not saying that Verna is bad and the City is good. It's just that उसमें ज़्यादा अच्छा है. That's why I went for it. And मुझे पेट्रोल व्हीकल चाहिए था. पेट्रोल व्हीकल में हमेशा Honda City के जो इंजन्स हैं, those are clear winners. डीजल में it's the Verna. And ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है. It's just 19-20, 19-20 का फ़र्क है, उससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है. So I'm not saying कि Verna का इंजन पेट्रोल इंजन उतना अच्छा नहीं है, but it's just like 19-20 का डिफरेंस है, 19-20 का ही डिफरेंस है. ये Verna का जो मॉडल है, this is the SX, and this costs you around 12,25,000 on road in Gujarat. And the Honda City VX will cost you around 14 lakhs on road. So there's a difference of 1.75 lakhs in these two variants. And features wise, let me say again, इन्हीं दो वेरिएंट्स में Verna में ज़्यादा फीचर्स हैं कंपेयर टू द Honda City. बट वो जो ज़्यादा फीचर्स हैं वो कितना यूज़ में आते हैं वो आप पे डिपेंड करता है. So abhi I'll show you the front seat, the passenger side. Okay, I'll show you the passenger side. I told you na, the seats are adjusted as per my height. Don't want this to ring. Come on. ठीक है. Let me turn off the air conditioner. Okay. So अभी इसमें देखो आप, अगर मैं फ्रंट सीट पे बैठा हूँ, so this is adjusted to my height 5'11", but इसमें एक प्रॉब्लम मुझे लग रही है जब भी like my one of my friends was driving and I was sitting on the passenger side, and इसमें आप देखो ये इसका जो ये कर्व है, this somehow like आपके नी के साथ टच होता है, so it's like it creates a little bit of problem. Not much problem but just a little bit. बस प्रैक्टिकलिटी के लिए मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ, मतलब जो एक्सपीरियंस मैंने किया है इसमें. वरना में अगर मैं सीट थोड़ी आगे भी लेना चाहूँ just to make the back side passenger more comfortable, अब ये मुझे ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम दे रहा है. You can see over here. अब ये चीज़ मुझे ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम दे रही है. Let's quickly jump into the city and see what's the scenario there. We'll go to the passenger side. Adjusted as per my height. You can see the space available at the back as well over here. ठीक है, अभी इसमें क्या डिफरेंस दिख रहा है? See the cabin? It's straight, neatly laid out, straight. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है मुझे मूव करने में. There's nothing over here which is causing a hindrance to my knee. अभी मैं फ्रीली मूव कर सकता हूँ, मैं आगे आ सकता हूँ, मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ, आगे आके बैठ सकता हूँ. देखो, there's nothing over here. Over here there's nothing. So ये प्रैक्टिकलिटी के लिए, मतलब स्पेस वाइज बहुत सोच के बनाया गया है. एंड practicality wise, on the space front, on the interior design front, I think City is a clear winner. पीछे भी आपको लेग रूम ज़्यादा मिलता है, हेडरूम आपको थोड़ा ज़्यादा मिलता है वरना से, एंड आगे भी आपको स्पेस में बहुत अच्छा है. एंड एक चीज़ और दिखाऊंगा मैं. आई रियली लाइक्ड दिस अबाउट द Honda City. कहीं पे ग्लव बॉक्स दिख रहा है? No, right? Because it's over here. यहाँ पे नीचे है. ये देखो, this is the glove box. अभी वरना में देखते हैं ग्लव बॉक्स. ग्लव बॉक्स यहीं से है. वरना में सिटी में यहाँ तक ये पार्ट था एंड यहाँ से स्ट्रेट था ऐसे, एंड ग्लव बॉक्स ऊपर की तरफ था. यहाँ पे ग्लव बॉक्स यहीं पे है. सी, सो ये भी एक टाइप का इशू है, लाइक यहाँ पे मुझे पैर रखने में प्रॉब्लम होगा. एंड बाकी तो मैंने आपको ये दिखाई दिया है. So it's not bad in the Verna, but it's better in the city, a lot better in the city. So that is the only reason, and the petrol engine which is more refined, which made me go with the city as my primary vehicle. Plus I wanted something which is more classic in design, like a classy look. Here Verna comes with a sporty look, so this is good. But if your family is big and if you want more cabin space, then obviously you should go with the Honda City. Otherwise both cars are good, feature loaded है दोनों, design wise both are good. This is a bit sporty, this is a bit classic. Otherwise I think features में थोड़े बहुत ही differences, like you get wireless charging in this one. This is a good feature, but then वायरलेस चार्जिंग में आप कितना यूज़ करोगे? लाइक आई थिंक विद इन सिटी इट्स क्वाइट गुड, इट विल बी यूज मोर. बट आप अगर एंड्रॉयड ऑटो या एप्पल कारप्ले यूज़ करने वाले हो देन आपको तो वो केबल से ही कनेक्ट करना है, केबल से ही चार्ज होगा फ़ोन. करेक्ट. So this is like आपको I think most of you will be using Android Auto or Apple CarPlay as soon as you enter the car, right? You want maps, you want to use the maps, you want to use the music, everything, which works better. You have a better interface over here on the touch screen with Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. And if you want that, then you have to connect it with a USB. So तब wireless charging use में नहीं आएगा. Sorry sir. But ignoring that, it's a pretty good feature to have in a sedan or in any car. It's a very good feature, and Hyundai is getting this in all the cars, I think, in all the variants. Even in the Grand i10 Neos top end, you get this feature of wireless charging. So that's a good feature. I'm very impressed. But then practicality wise, आप जब यूज़ करोगे वो Android Auto या Apple CarPlay, तब आपको USB ही यूज़ करना है. करेक्ट. So space wise we have already discovered the two cars, and coming to the features, एक इसमें mid variant में ही you get this sunshade over here. Yeah, this sunshade you get in the mid variant. Honda City में you get this only in the top end. You don't get this sunshade in the mid variant. Otherwise LED lights दोनों में ही है, tail lights. फ्रंट में भी TRLs हैं एंड प्रोजेक्टर हेडलैम्प्स है दोनों में. वरना में यू गेट कॉर्नरिंग लैम्प्स एज वेल विच आर क्वाइट हेल्पफुल, एंड आई वुड से yes, like that's something which will be used more. Right here, this is the projector headlamp, this is the cornering lamp. When you turn your steering left, this will glow, right, that one will glow, and this really helps you on the corners, like visibility आपका थोड़ा अच्छा हो जाता है. सो दैट रियली हेल्प्स. अदरवाइज साइज़ में कंपेयर करें तो सिटी इज़ अगेन अ क्लियर विनर, लाइक लेंथ वाइज, विथ वाइज और मे बी हाइट वाइज. इन ऑल थ्री पैरामीटर्स Honda City is a winner. What else do we have? We get alloys on both ones, but Hyundai के alloys उतने अच्छे नहीं हैं. Like in the top end you get diamond cut, but in this one you get grey alloys. डायमंड कट इसमें नहीं मिलते. टॉप एंड लोगे आप तो डायमंड कट मिलेंगे, और इसमें तो आपको डायमंड कट ही मिल रहे हैं होंडा सिटी में. इसमें आप मिड वेरिएंट एंड टॉप वेरिएंट दोनों में डायमंड कट अलॉयज हैं. इंटीरियर के मैंने फीचर्स आपको ऑलरेडी बताए हैं इन माय कपल ऑफ वीडियोस ऑफ द होंडा सिटी. वरना के फीचर्स भी सेम ही हैं, थोड़ा अंदर का इंटीरियर डिफरेंट है. सो इफ़ यू वांट अ कंप्लीट रिव्यू ऑफ द Hyundai Verna, please do post a comment on the comment section, and I'll do an overall review of the Hyundai Verna as well, if you guys want it. Acha, coming to the comfort of ride, I would say like, अच्छा first thing like clutch pedal Hyundai Verna का बहुत light है. प्लस अगर सस्पेंशन की बात करें, सो सस्पेंशन इज़ अ बिट स्टिफ ऑन द Hyundai Verna. थोड़ा सा हार्ड है, बट इन द सिटी यू गेट वेरी सॉफ्ट सस्पेंशंस. सो वो डिफरेंस है. लाइक अगर आप बम्प्स वगैरह में जाते हो इन सिटी, सो आपको सिटी ज़्यादा Honda City में ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल लगेगा कंपेयर टू द Verna, बिकॉज Verna के सस्पेंशन बहुत ज़्यादा स्टिफ रखा है. आई थिंक मे बी इट्स अ न्यू व्हीकल, दैट्स वाई, and maybe after some use these will soften, but I'm not sure. Like अभी तो ये suspension बहुत hard है, but still it's like जब मैं चलाया, when I drove this vehicle, then it didn't look bad, it didn't feel bad to me. थोड़ा सा stiff है, that's it. Honda City में बिल्कुल भी stiff नहीं है, बहुत ही soft suspension है. So that is a one major plus I think I felt on the Honda City. So आपकी जो राइड क्वालिटी है वो बेटर हो जाती है. इंजन साउंड दोनों गाड़ियों में नहीं है, बट जो रोड साउंड है वो Verna में थोड़ी ज़्यादा आती है अंदर. लाइक इंजन साउंड तो दोनों में बिल्कुल भी नहीं आती है. नॉट लाइक आई वुड से इट्स वेरी मिनिमल. आपको बिल्कुल भी इंजन की आवाज़ अंदर आएगी ही नहीं. बहुत ही सॉफ्ट साउंड होगी. और रोड साउंड जो आती है, दोनों गाड़ियों में आती है रोड साउंड, बट सिटी में बहुत ही कंट्रोल्ड है. वरना में थोड़ी सी रोड साउंड ज़्यादा आती है. ठीक है. सो इफ़ यू वांट मी टू डू a detailed review of both these cars, like a comparison review, or if you want me to do a detailed review of the Verna as well, you guys can post a comment on the comment section, and if I see the demand, I'll get that done as well. And there's a video pending for Alexa connectivity features also on the Honda City. So my vehicle had gone for first service, and I was out of station for a day. So I'll maybe after this one, that will be the first video which will be coming on my channel. So just wait for it. And it's a pretty good feature. Again, in the Honda City you get Alexa connectivity or the Honda Connect. In Verna you get the BlueLink, but you get that only in the top end variants, the BlueLink feature. Otherwise in this SX variant you don't get a BlueLink feature. Okay, so if you guys have any comments, any questions, please post them, and I'll get back to you on those. And please like, share and subscribe. That really helps the channel. So if you guys subscribe, it will give a sort of motivation to us as well, and we'll bring some more these kind of reviews. You get what you see on YouTube, on other channels are good reviews, but then मुझे लगता है वो थोड़ा ऊपर से चले जाते हैं, and you don't get to see the reality. मैं बहुत लंबे वीडियोस नहीं बनाऊंगा, क्योंकि फिर the audience tends to just go away and तुरंत skip हो जाते हैं वीडियोस, and दूसरे वीडियोस चालू हो जाते हैं. So I'll try to keep them short, but still the comparison बनाऊंगा तो 15-16 मिनट्स तो यार हो ही जाता है. और I think I'll divide the comparison in 2 or 3 videos. एक ही वीडियो में पूरा बनाऊंगा, so half an hour का हो जाएगा, because I'm showing you the ground reality. तो मुझे थोड़ा टाइम लगता है इसमें. It takes a bit of time to go into this car, go into that car and show you the same thing. अभी तो सिर्फ 4-5 points ही cover किए हैं, but I'm going to make one more video on this, and that will be having much more information, much more clarity on both the cars. ठीक है. So night time का view देख लो, दोनों DRLs कैसे work कर रहे हैं on both the cars. See, which one's looking good? Which one's looking good? I think I'll give it to the City. I think those are looking better for me. So come on, post in the comment section as well, which TRLs are you liking more, in the Hyundai Verna or the Honda City? ठीक है, चलो, that's it for today, and I'll be coming with one more comparison video in between these two cars, and that will be in a day again. And that will be having much more information than this one. Okay, I got a bit late today. I had some work, I had to finish that off, but chalo theek hai. That's it. I don't want to extend this more. I'll come up with one more video. Please keep posting on the comment section, and please subscribe. Thank you.